In this segment, we will show you how to assemble a plenum box. You will need a BlueDuct plenum box, a plenum adapter, and a section of flanged or non-flanged duct.
There are two standard sizes of the BlueDuct plenums. Each has a 4-inch space molded into them, which is intended for concrete slab integration. Multiple plenum boxes can be used in a stacked configuration to eliminate the need for a concrete pit. Also, custom-sized plenum boxes are available. A typical installation would begin by establishing the initial trench depth. This depth depends on the diameter of duct that will come off the plenum. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be using a 14-inch duct and plenum adapter. Measure to the top of the duct on the face of the plenum. Mark that location with a black marker. Then, place the inside dimension of your plenum adapter on the previously marked spot. Using a black marker, trace the inside and outside dimension of the plenum adapter on the face of the plenum. Using a Sawzall with a coarse blade, cut out the inside dimension of the mark. If there is an excessive amount of tailings on any of the ducts or fittings that have been cut, remove the tailings using a utility knife. Apply a 1/4-inch bead of the BlueDuct Sealant to the outer dimension of the outline on the plenum box and the inside of the flange on the plenum adapter. Match the outer diameter of the plenum flange with the mark on the face of the plenum. Now, attach the plenum adapter with 5/16-inch screws, using the molded dimples for the location of the screws. Sealant should be flowing out. If not, apply an additional bead around the plenum adapter flange and smooth with your finger or a rag. Next, liberally apply the BlueDuct Sealant to the top of the screw head to ensure a proper air seal. Installing a flanged duct is similar to installing the non-flanged duct with a plenum adapter as previously shown. It is important to only use the BlueDuct Sealant provided by AQC Industries. Your warranty will be invalid with any other style of sealant.
For proper backfill, the minimum burial depth of the BlueDuct is 2 inches below the bottom of the slab. Prior to the slab being poured, the duct should be covered with a minimum of a 3/4-inch bridge to protect it from any traffic. The trench can be filled in with native soil. The inherent design of the BlueDuct does not require drain tile, pea gravel, or concrete encasement. Refer to the project specifications for any job site requirements.